5 best drones in the world. Drones can be a lot of fun to fly and are ideal for taking stunning aerial photos and videos. But how do you know which one is right for you? In this video, we compare and contrast the top 5 drones available this year in terms of their price, performance, image quality, ease of use, and the types of situations in which they will be used. Don't miss a thing by turning off early. Keep watching to the very finish. DJI Mini 2. Our top selection for the best micro drone and the best beginner drone is the DJI Mini 2. It's cheap, easy to fly, and ultralight. While the DJI Mini 2 is designed with new drone pilots in mind, its robust feature set may also appeal to those with more experience. Its 31-minute flight time is impressive, and its powerful motors ensure smooth flight even in the wind. The Mini drone's camera can record 4K video at 30 frames per second and take 12-megapixel stills while mounted on a 3-axis gimbal. Quick shot settings on the Mini 2 make aerial filmmaking simpler and more enjoyable, allowing you to quickly and easily produce high-quality results that you'll be proud to show off on social media. In rocket mode, the drone is launched upward with a camera facing downwards. In helix mode, the drone rises and moves away from its subject in a gradual spiral. In boomerang and circle modes, the drone flies around its subject in an oval or circular path. And in droning mode, the drone flies back and upward with a camera following you. If you're looking for a mini drone, are new to drone piloting, or simply want an easy-to-use drone, the DJI Mini 2 is perfect choice and a good place to start. Mount your phone on the top of the controller and get up to 6 miles of HD video transmission, complete with anti-interference and DJI's video transmission technology, which delivers better video quality over greater distances. Holystone HS720E. Next up is the Holystone HS720E, which is our pick for the most budget drone that offers a fantastic value for money. The Holystone HS720E is going to be a great affordable drone for you. If you want to get the full drone experience without paying the full price you'd normally pay for a drone. This foldable drone is easy to store and offers excellent portability, and when deployed, it transforms to a size that is 13.3 by 9.5 by 2.3 inches. The body and controller are made up of durable ABS plastic, and the motors are brushless and generate no friction, so they have much quieter operation. The controller is powered by 2 AA batteries, is lightweight, and has a small screen that displays key operating data such as distance, GPS information, and even battery voltage. The screen also keeps you up to date on important data, such as when the batteries need to be replaced. It has a retractable cell phone holder on top that allows you to fly the drone using the controller or the app. For the power, the drone uses a rechargeable battery that will give you about 31 minutes of flight time. And when in flight, the HS720E can reach a top speed of 35 miles per hour. The 4K camera has a 1 by 2.3-inch CMOS sensor that captures stills at 12 megapixels and video at 4K 30 frames per second for those looking for more substantial-looking content, intelligent flight modes. The 4x zoom will allow you to obtain the close shot you desire without having to fly in close proximity to your subject. Automated flight capabilities include GPS auto-return tab, light point of interest follow me, and optical flow placement. Overall, the Holystone HS720E does not have the same camera or ease of use as the other drones on the list, such as the DJI Mini 2 or the DJI Air 2 Labs. However, it does have a price tag that is more affordable, compact design, and solid camera quality for price. making it ideal for someone who is on a tighter budget. DJI Air 2S. Next, we have the DJI Air 2S, which is the greatest overall drone in our opinion. You want the best combination of camera quality, ease of use, pricing, and sophisticated capabilities for fantastic overall user experience. This is the drone for you. It's possible that DJI Air 2S is a drone that's best suited to your needs. The DJI Air 2S is a compact drone that folds up and has a high-end camera with a 1-inch sensor that's capable of capturing stunning detail. Additionally, it has the number of onboard safety features that make it easy to fly. The Air 2S comes with everything you need to get started, including the drone, a flight battery, a remote control that looks like a video game controller, and a charger. The remote is designed to fit comfortably in your hand and has a clip at the top to hold your smartphone, so you can view and adjust the camera settings. Apple's iOS and Android's mobile operating system are both supported, and a variety of cables including Lightning, micro USB, and USB-C are assured to provide compatibility with each device. You have full control of the drone thanks to the 2 joysticks on the controller and the DJI Fly app. Use the left stick to make adjustment to yaw and altitude, and use the right stick to move the drone in any direction, including forward, backward, left, or right. In addition, there is a control wheel that can be used to change the angle of the camera, as well as a button that can toggle between video and photos. You'll enjoy about 30 minutes of flight time, and an emergency button is available that will set the drone to hover in a place with a short press or automatically fly back to its starting position with a longer press. The 1-inch sensor shoots 5.4K video at 30 frames per second and 4K video at 60 frames per second. It uses DJI's OcuSync 3.0 image transmission technology, which gives you an ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable image feed up to 7.5 miles of transmission distance. The DJI Air 2S is foldable and compact drone that has a premium 1-inch sensor camera. It can record 4K video and has a number of automated flight and safety features that can make it an amazing overall experience to use and own. If you're looking for one of the best drones available in general, this might be the product for you. DJI Mavic 3. Awaiting the DJI Mavic 3, my guess is that many folks will be pleased with the DJI Mavic 3 once they've got a chance to put it through its paces after a flight. The Mavic 3 is very small and lightweight, making it convenient to bring along. When deployed, its arms extend further to make room slightly larger rotors, leading to a quieter, smoother flying. The camera module is equipped with a strong twin camera system, one of which is a 4x3-inch Thomas Hasselblad camera for breathtaking cinematic detail. The Mavic 3S 4x3-inch Thomas image sensors not only improves the resolution and dynamic range, but it also reduces noise in low-light situations, so your low-light shots will be clean and grain-free. Additionally, the 12-point stops of dynamic range will allow you to capture more detail in the highlights and shadows, giving your photos a more professional look and feel. For stills, the telephoto camera on the Mavic 3 has a resolution of 12 megapixels and a magnification range of up to 28 times. For video, the drone can record in 5.1K at 50 frames per second. Excellent image quality all around, including superior noise handling. In 4K video to 120 frames per second or 1080 pixels all the way up to 200 frames per second. improved specificity, DJI's OptiSync 3 Plus allows for longer transmission distances up to 15 kilometers, improved depth of field control, and higher dynamic range. If you're concerned about image quality, you can rest assured that the Mavic 3's extended 46-minute flight time will give you plenty of time to get the shots you need, and that drone will return to its takeoff point safely, thanks to the advanced return to home function, which can be activated manually or when signal loss is detected. If you want the greatest drone money can buy in a compact and easily transportable design, look no further than the DJI Mavic 3. DJI FPV. At long last, the DJI FPV. If you're looking for an affordable way to experience the excitement of the first-person flying, the DJI FPV combo is your best bet. The FPV set's 3-blade propellers have red tips and stylish design. The video game-style remote controller is easy to hold and allows you to control the drone's altitude and yaw with the left stick in its lateral movements to the right. However, you won't be using a smartphone screen to see if the thrilling view through the 4K camera lens. Instead, you'll be wearing a headset to do so. The digital low-latency connection feeds the video at 810 pixels, and the lenses are adjustable so that you can tune eye spacing to match your vision. It's possible to use the glasses with a headset while in normal or athletic mode. While traveling at speeds up to 31 miles per hour, the FPV may be kept stable with the use of the Global Positioning System, or the GPS, Sight and Object Detection Sensor. In manual mode, all automatic flight controls are disabled, so you have to continually apply throttle and keep the drone moving to keep it in the air. If you lose sight of it, the return to home function sends it back to the launch point and lands it automatically if you lose sight of it. Okay fellas, that's it for now. But if you like this video, click that button, and if you're new to our channel, like the videos. Consider subscribing so you can remain abreast of the latest and greatest technology.